Hi, boys and girls. It's me, Ms. Martinez, and you are going to like today's activity. We are going to create a found objects color wheel by having a scavenger hunt. Now, what that means is you will go around your home and collect items in primary colors and in secondary colors. Now, of course, you need to get permission to use any of the items you find. And when you are finished with your color wheel, make certain that you put everything back exactly where you found it. Now, I hope you took a look at the 2 videos that I posted on Class Dojo in your portfolio section, because one of them will give you a quick review of your primary and secondary colors, and the other will give you a quick snippet of what we are going to be doing today. Now let us begin with our primary colors. You all know our primary colors consist of red, yellow, and blue. These colors cannot be made. They are pure colors. You also know these colors make all the other colors on a color palette. Isn't that incredible? When you mix yellow and red, you get orange. When you mix red and blue, you get purple. And when you mix blue and yellow, why? You get my most favorite color in the whole world, which is green. There you have it. This is your color wheel that consists of primary and secondary colors. Now, I have collected my items and thought it would probably be easiest to begin with my primary colors. I'm going to start with blue. I found a blue flower, a blue comb, a blue sticky note pad. I have a lid and a ball that my dogs like to play fetch with, and I'm just going to create a pile right here. I am moving on to yellow. I found a fun book titled Your Dog's Love Letter, A Heartfelt Message from Your Dog to You, and it's actually quite fun. And I'm going to put that pile right there. I found a purse, some yellow ribbon, and a bird feeder that I use for my parakeets. Now I am going to move on to red. I found this wonderful red heart I just had to add because it reminds me of how much I love all of you. I found a red watch, some red nail polish, some red reading glasses, and of course, you know I can't have too many of those because I'm always losing them. And I found this really cool red ribbon that one of my dogs won for being the naughtiest dog, well, actually the second naughtiest dog in the world. You see that? It says second place. And you're wondering, wow, only second place? Well, if you need to know, my other dog actually won first place, but I can't show you that ribbon because he chewed it up. Probably why he got naughtiest dog in the world, right? So here we go. Now, if you may notice, I have left space in between my primary colors. So you don't need to have markers that will mark your secondary colors. It's okay. Just leave yourself space. I already know that you are familiar with secondary colors and where those go. So if you are mixing yellow and red, what color do you get? Well, if you said orange, you are correct. I'm going to put down that lid. I have an orange screwdriver. I have this funny Halloween hat in orange that one of my dogs uses. And of course, you cannot be an art teacher or an artist for that matter if you don't have glue. And so I'm going to put my glue right there. I am now going to look for the color that red and blue mix. If you said purple, you are correct again. I have this purple flashlight, some ribbon, a cream jar that is purple, and I thought you would really like this. I have a card that someone gave me for my birthday. It just so happens to be purple, but look at this. Wow. When you open it up, you get this amazing 3-dimensional tree that just so happens to be in purple. So I am going to add that to my pile. And of course, I'm saving the best for last. Do you remember what you get when you mix blue and yellow? Right again, you get green, my favorite color. I have a green notepad, a green pen, some green tape, a funny green toy that should probably go into our treasure box at school. And I love gardening, and I found this green twine. So I am going to create that pile right there. Well, I am done. This is my found objects color wheel. I cannot wait to see what you find and what you create for me. Make sure you send me a photo, but also be certain to put everything back exactly where you found it. I'm looking forward to seeing your photos. In the meantime, have fun!